Nobody wakes up in the morning and plans on dropping their scissors on the floor in a hair salon. That's why it's called an accident. It wasn't an on purpose. One of the frequently asked questions we get at Rock, Paper, Shears is, hey, I love my scissors subscription, but what happens, oops, if I drop and damage a pair of scissors? The answer is we want to be that brand that is easy to work with and takes good care of our customers. You're going to get a hold of us online, not a telephone, but send us an email. Let us know you've had an oops. We're going to swap you out early. We're going to send you a fresh tool. You're going to send back the tool. We work with a team of highly skilled scissor technicians that do our regular sharpening, reconditioning, polishing, and maintenance on our scissors. We're going to send them off to the guys whose job it is to make those scissors good as new. And assuming they can make that scissors good as new, we're good. We're going to continue to move forward. We've reset the clock on your swap date because you're sitting on fresh scissors, and we have reconditioned a scissors that is perfectly good to go forward. We want to be the brand that you love to work with. We want to be the tools you love to work with every day. We're rockpapershears.com. Visit us online for more information and become a member of our happy customer family.